Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. And as you guys can see, I just woke up. I say this in a lot of videos when I'm barely waking up, but as you can see, I have the messy hair. It's not done yet, so don't worry, I don't look this horrible. But today is just gonna be kind of just a vlog, I guess. I don't really know why I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm just gonna be recording what I can and then see what I'm gonna upload. But today, something I do want to do is gonna be on my Mustang. So the Mustang has a cracked or little chipped windshield, and I bought like a thing from Walmart, which I've read or people have told me to buy. And it's basically all it does is just fill in the gap so I won't have to keep cracking more, because I don't want my windshield to break and I'm trying to get it tinted, so I want to get my windshield fixed before. I would get a new windshield, but that's pretty expensive to replace, so I'm gonna go with this option at first, and if it don't work, then I'm gonna get a new windshield, of course. Also, I've just been informed by my neighbor that my car's leaking differential fluid. I think that's what he said. I don't think it's I can't speak. I don't think it's diff fluid, so I'm gonna go check it out as well today. Hopefully it's not my differential fluid. I'm hoping it's really no leaks, to be honest, because I would be sad if it's a leak already, because as you guys know, I just got the car. I'm hoping it's not a leak. Also, guys, let me show you guys something real quick. Hold up. All right, guys, so excuse the mess over there, but what I want to show you guys is this right here. So if you know what this is, then you know that I'm pretty excited to install this onto the car. Well, I'm not gonna be installing it because I'm gonna take it to my tuner that's gonna be doing it for me, because he told me I could install it, which I would install it. Trust me, I will do it myself, but he said I have to stay out of boost or else I might blow my engine. But this is a Biliflow 2.76 smaller pulley. Now with this, it should be around 6 pounds of boost, maybe, unless I'm wrong. I think I'm wrong, but I bought this, and then but I'm waiting on my auxiliary idler pulley, which is supposed to be like right next to it. So like right here is supposed to be next to it. So I'm just waiting on that. I have a few packages coming in tomorrow also for the Cobra. I'm excited to install this already. Yeah, it's kind of it's pretty used, but it wasn't used too long. I want to say it's just dirty a bit, but I'm excited to put that on, and I'm gonna do a video when I go take it to my tuner. Other than that, I'm gonna get ready real quick, because I can't be looking like this. So I'm gonna get ready real quick, and then we're gonna head out. I'm gonna go try to do the window crack thing. We're ready to go. It's echoing in this bathroom, bro. Oh, bro, I'm so weak. I need to eat something, but we're ready. Got my off shirt, got the stabilizer, bro. This is awkward, I'm not gonna lie. I look handsome as fuck though, dude. That's a dude. All right, let's go. Alright, so that was a cold start. I haven't started in like a couple of days, like I said, 2 or 3 days. So this is the product we're gonna be using. It's a rainx windshield repair kit. I don't know, it's supposed to fix it. It's not really much. The windshield isn't even cracked that much. You can't see it from in here. Actually, hold up. It's like this spot right here. Damn, whoever sat right here left my floor a mess. What the fuck is that? That's crazy. Alright, well, I'm gonna let the car warm up for a bit because it is way too cold right now still. And then I'm gonna start heading out. So I'll see you guys over there. I would give you guys a like drive-by shot or like driving shots, but I don't have my GoPro. Well, I do have my GoPro, but it's not charged. I'm gonna do that next time though, I promise you guys.
It's moving?
Yeah, it's moving. Like you see? They're just recording
For what?
for my video. You wanna be in it?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ow. Hello. You don't wanna say hi?
High five.
Alright guys, so let me show you what I'm talking about. You can't really see, it's a really small crack, but right there. Like, it's not too much of a crack, but I want to fix it before it gets bigger and then it ruins the whole windshield, All right, so before I do anything, I'm gonna read the instructions to this. I feel like it should be pretty straightforward, to be honest. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think it's gonna work because the crack isn't even that big of a crack. All right, so first things first, I need a suction cup shit. So I need to install this together, right? So I need to put this on first already into the window thing, and then I put this over, and there's a hole. I don't know if you could really see the hole, but you put it through here, the little liquid, and then it should be going through. Hopefully, I think it's supposed to be like that. I don't think that was a good noise. Next step, I heard a little crack. I don't think that's a good thing. I think it's good. I'm hoping it's good. All right, so next step is just to get this, put the liquid inside, and you use this to squish it down. How do I work this? I'm very confused. I should have watched the YouTube video before doing it. Now, is this working? Probably not. I think I fucked this up. And pressure driver together. I'm gonna lift this shit up, and it's gonna be cracked. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point, bro. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I wish I knew what I was doing. Putting that beast back too, bro. I'm about to eat it. I ain't gonna lie, it kind of did work. I don't know what I did, but it worked. I'm gonna let this dry up or whatever. I think that's what I have to do. That's what it shows. And I'll give you guys an update on it. So enough time has passed. It should be good now. Wait, does it stay? Oh. So I just cleaned off everything. The thing is right here. Can't really see it, but I guess it did fix it. No, it's not really noticeable anymore. So I think I could get my window tinted now. It should be good. If it cracks, I'm just gonna replace the whole window. But the other thing I want to look at was about my diffs, my differentials. Damn. And it does look like it is leaking. No. Huh?
What happened
Nothing. Just looking at it. Might throw it away.
Why?
Because it's broken. Right, so it does look like it is my diff. Damn. You can see the liquid right there. I just don't know from where. Let me see. Looks like it's coming from here. Damn, well that sucks. I'm hoping just a gasket.
I went through a top before.
You were in my car before?
Yeah.
I know the first day I got it, you were in it. Yes.
You don't want to throw away?
No.
Special?
Yes, it's special.
You don't sell one day?
No, I use it every day. That's why it's broken right now.
Then throw away?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it away actually. It's not daily though. That's the thing. This car isn't even daily. But you're gonna fall. All right, so I'm gonna try to get that fixed. I'm gonna see if it's just a seal in. Hopefully it's just a seal or the gasket. If not, then I'm gonna swap the whole rear end to the Mac 1 suspension because these IRSs on these are horrible. Also, don't come at me for my suspension. This is the stock suspension, as you can see. I have a monster truck right now. I could literally fit my fist in there like nothing, like clear it. So if anybody wants to sponsor me some, you know, suspension, you know, go ahead, email me, you know, but don't say shit about them, you know. These are really big.
Like the big tires?
Big tires? Yeah, I like them in the back though. You like the tires? They look nice?
Yes. I don't want you to throw away.
You don't want me to throw it away?
No.
Why?
It's fast.
Oh, it's fast? Okay, she approved. Also, this, my friend got me an antenna delete kit right here. So I'm gonna take this out and then I'm gonna cover it up. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up the little mess I made over here. All right, so we're gonna go pick up one of my friends because he wants to go do some shopping real quick. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get food and meet up with a couple other friends. But I'm gonna go pick him up right now. Made it to his house. That's the camera I was talking about, the meat vlog. Looks nice with the tail lights. He takes forever to come out though, so we're gonna have to wait for him. Finally, you come out, bro.
What?
I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
I'll be taking forever.
Nah, Phil.
Dude, what is this, weed?
I don't know. I don't know who was sitting there last, but they left all that mess.
Oh, it's pistachio.
Who the fuck is eating pistachio? You ready? Where are we going?
Smoke the fire.
Want to go there first, or you want to go get the store? Because Gordo and them are asleep still.
We want to go to the store first then?
Yeah. We're gonna start heading out.
You're all loud.
When?
In your car when you pulled up.
No, this shit's all quiet, right? This shit's quiet.
When you pulled up.
Bitch.
What? Under. Don't be stuck like that.
Alright guys, so it is the next day. The vlog is not over yet because like I said, I had something coming in yesterday, which is today. I don't know if that made sense, but as you guys can see, it says right here American Muscle. And I'm gonna open up the package and show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so I got two things. Alright, so let me just take out these papers. Oh, I got a magazine too. Wait, this isn't even for my car's ear though. Oh, I think this is because I ordered something for my friend, because I got my friend a Christmas present, which I don't know which box it is. I want to say his is gonna be this one. I want to say this is his. So then I'm hoping I think this one is gonna be my box. Actually, never mind. I just had to flip it and then it showed me what it was. So as you guys can read, this is the SCT Big Air BA3000. It's a mass airflow sensor for my car because the stock one doesn't let you go above 400 something horsepower, I've heard or seen. And this is supposed to allow more air to go into my intake, allowing more air to go into my supercharger, where, you know, more air means more power. That's what I'm hoping for. I might be wrong because like I'm still new to all these car stuff. So what I've read, this is supposed to help you with bogging issues when you're up in a power like more than 4 or something. And when I get dynoed, I am looking to be pushing 460 around there, 450 hopefully. So this is gonna really help out as well. I wasn't gonna open it just because it was gonna be my car's Christmas present, even though that sounds very cliche and cringe. Either or, I don't know if I use those words correctly, but I'm gonna open it up right now and see how it looks. All right guys, so this is how it looks. This looks pretty big, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully it fits the one I have, the filter, the intake filter I have. But the only thing I am gonna probably complain about is just the sticker right here, because I ordered a red one and it does not look like this. I mean, I don't think it matters much. I'll probably just look it up or just ask, but it shouldn't matter, so I should be good on that. But this is how it looks. So I'm gonna put this back, I'm gonna put it away, and then I'm gonna end the video already. Alright, so that's gonna be it for the video today. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and if you guys did, leave a like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. And I might be uploading this on Christmas, so if it is Christmas, Merry Christmas to everybody, Happy Holidays to everybody out there. Hopefully you guys get the gifts you guys want. Hopefully you guys are safe and having fun, you know. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Later guys, peace.